Hi there, my name is Corene Summers. I'm an international meditation and mindfulness expert, yoga instructor, Reiki master, wellness coach, and the founder of Artisan Farmacy. I'm really excited to be introducing my partnership with Sacred CBD and their amazing all-natural CBD products. In a time when none of us can interact face-to-face, we've decided to team up and launch a series of online wellness content to help support you in being your best self and releasing stress and anxiety when you may need it most. One of my all-time favorite ways to set the tone for deep restorative sleep at night is a little massage with my Sacred CBD peppermint balm. It smells absolutely just divine, and I like to apply it generously around my neck and my shoulders, and even in my jawline, my temples, and my forehead, where we also tend to carry a lot of tension. And I do this while I'm listening to some calming music, taking some deep breaths, and getting settled into my bed at night. It's really the perfect way to wind down and create a calming and nourishing environment to drift off to sleep. The Sacred CBD tinctures and capsules are also really wonderful for improving your sleep and releasing stress and anxiety. So I highly recommend, exploring, getting creative, and above all, remember that your mind and body are completely unique. So find a bedtime routine that really works for you and set the tone for that deep rest.